In our fast-paced world, where screens dominate our daily lives and environmental stressors abound, safeguarding our precious eyesight has never been more crucial. Fortunately, nature offers an array of delicious and vibrant solutions to support and protect our vision. From the enticing allure of juicy blueberries to the tropical sweetness of papayas, certain fruits possess remarkable powers to fortify and repair our eyes. Join us on a journey through a colorful orchard of eye-nourishing delights as we explore the tantalizing benefits of these fruits for our ocular health. Delve into the rich hues, flavors, and nutrients that not only tantalize our taste buds but also serve as potent allies in preserving our most treasured sense, sight. Let's uncover the captivating world of fruits that not only delight our palates but also serve as nature's bounty for our eyes' well-being. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are renowned for their impressive array of health benefits, particularly for eye health. Their deep blue color comes from flavonoids called anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that play a crucial role in protecting the eyes from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful molecules called free radicals outnumber antioxidants, leading to cellular damage, including in the eyes. Anthocyanins in blueberries help neutralize these free radicals, reducing the risk of various eye conditions such as cataracts, glaucoma, and macular degeneration. Additionally, blueberries contain vitamin C, another antioxidant that supports overall eye health by promoting collagen production in the cornea and reducing the risk of cataracts. Moreover, the high fiber content in blueberries aids in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for preventing diabetic retinopathy, a condition that can cause vision loss in individuals with diabetes. Regular consumption of blueberries, whether fresh, frozen, or in smoothies, can significantly contribute to maintaining optimal eye health and potentially repairing damage caused by oxidative stress. 2. Oranges. Oranges are not only a delicious citrus fruit but also a powerhouse of nutrients that are essential for eye health. One of the key nutrients found in oranges is vitamin C, which plays a vital role in maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes. Adequate vitamin C intake is associated with a reduced risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts, two common eye conditions that can lead to vision impairment and blindness. Additionally, oranges contain other antioxidants such as beta-carotene and flavonoids, which help protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals and ultraviolet, UV, radiation. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is essential for good vision, particularly in low-light conditions. By incorporating oranges into your diet regularly, either as whole fruits or as freshly squeezed juice, you can provide your eyes with the necessary nutrients to support their health and repair mechanisms, ultimately reducing the risk of age-related eye diseases. 3. Carrots. Carrots have long been hailed as a top food for eye health, and for good reason. These crunchy root vegetables are packed with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the functioning of the retina, the part of the eye that detects light and sends visual signals to the brain. Without sufficient vitamin A, the retina cannot function properly, leading to vision problems such as night blindness and eventually, complete blindness. In addition to beta-carotene, carrots contain other antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect the eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, AMD. The high fiber content in carrots also supports overall eye health by promoting proper digestion and preventing spikes in blood sugar levels, which can contribute to diabetic retinopathy. Whether eaten raw, cooked, or juiced, incorporating carrots into your diet can provide your eyes with the essential nutrients they need to maintain optimal function and repair damage caused by oxidative stress and age-related changes. 4. Kiwi. Kiwi is a small but mighty fruit that offers numerous health benefits, including support for eye health. One of the key nutrients found in kiwi is vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes and reducing the risk of age-related eye conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Vitamin C also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting the eyes from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Additionally, kiwi contains vitamin E, another potent antioxidant that helps maintain the integrity of cell membranes in the eyes and supports overall eye health. Furthermore, kiwi is a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that are selectively accumulated in the retina and help filter harmful blue light, reduce glare sensitivity, and protect against oxidative damage. By incorporating kiwi into your diet, either by eating it fresh or adding it to fruit salads and smoothies, you can provide your eyes with the essential nutrients they need to function optimally and repair damage caused by environmental stressors. 5. Strawberries. Strawberries are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious, especially when it comes to supporting eye health. These vibrant red fruits are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes and reducing the risk of age-related eye conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Vitamin C also supports the production of collagen, a protein that provides structure to the cornea and helps maintain its transparency, essential for clear vision. Additionally, strawberries contain other antioxidants such as flavonoids and ellagic acid, which help protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Furthermore, strawberries are rich in fiber, which supports overall eye health by promoting proper digestion and regulating blood sugar levels, important for preventing diabetic retinopathy. Incorporating strawberries into your diet, whether eaten fresh, blended into smoothies, or added to salads, can provide your eyes with the essential nutrients they need to function optimally and repair damage caused by environmental factors and aging. 6. Spinach. While not a traditional fruit, spinach is a leafy green vegetable that offers exceptional benefits for eye health. It is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that accumulate in the retina and act as natural filters against harmful blue light. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Spinach also contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, all of which contribute to maintaining healthy vision and supporting the repair of damaged tissues in the eyes. Incorporating spinach into your diet, whether in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes, can provide your eyes with the essential nutrients they need to thrive. 7. Papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as carotenoids such as beta-carotene and lutein. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining eye health and supporting optimal vision. Vitamin A is essential for the proper functioning of the retina and helps prevent night blindness and dry eyes. Vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting the eyes from oxidative stress and reducing the risk of developing cataracts and macular degeneration. Vitamin E supports overall eye health by protecting cell membranes from damage and reducing inflammation. Additionally, the carotenoids in papaya, particularly beta-carotene and lutein, help protect the eyes from UV damage and improve visual acuity. Incorporating papaya into your diet can provide your eyes with essential nutrients and antioxidants to maintain their health and repair damage caused by environmental factors. 8. Grapes. Grapes, whether red, green, or purple, are packed with antioxidants and other nutrients that benefit eye health. One of the key antioxidants found in grapes is resveratrol, which has been shown to protect retinal cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases such as macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. Grapes also contain flavonoids such as quercetin and camphorol, which have anti-inflammatory properties and help improve blood circulation to the eyes. Moreover, grapes are rich in vitamin C and vitamin E, both of which play important roles in maintaining the health of the eyes and supporting their repair mechanisms. Additionally, the skin of grapes contains a compound called anthocyanin, which provides further protection against oxidative damage and inflammation. Including grapes in your diet, whether eaten fresh, dried, or as juice, can provide your eyes with essential nutrients and antioxidants to promote optimal eye health and repair damaged tissues. In conclusion, the bounty of nature provides an abundance of fruits that offer a delectable and nutritious feast for our eyes. From the antioxidant-rich blueberries to the vitamin-packed oranges, each fruit contributes its unique blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support optimal eye health and repair damage caused by environmental stressors and aging. Whether it's the beta-carotene in carrots promoting clear vision or the lutein in kiwi protecting against harmful blue light, these fruits serve as nature's pharmacy for our eyes. Incorporating these colorful delights into our daily diet not only tantalizes our taste buds but also nourishes and protects our precious vision. So let's savor the sweetness of strawberries, relish the tanginess of oranges, and indulge in the tropical goodness of papayas, knowing that each bite is a step towards healthier, happier eyes. At the end of this video, subscribe to the channel if you like the content, and put a like on the video because this will make this video spread to the largest number of people who need help.